We're glad that you are interested in mySCADA. In this video, we will show you how to download the project creation tool called myDESIGNER and the software for visualizing your technology called myPRO, install myDESIGNER and myPRO on your device, and create a new project and display it on your device. First, you have to open the website www.myscada.org. Click the Resources tab and choose Downloads. Register or log in. Choose the myDESIGNER section and click the download button based on the operating system you have. Then switch to the myPRO section and repeat this process. Now install the myDESIGNER tool. Next, install the myPRO software. To finish the installation, you need to restart your device. Now the myDESIGNER and myPRO software is installed. myPRO is available on the website in a non-commercial version with a limitation of 30 tags. For a full commercial version, you need to buy myPRO in the mySCADA eShop and click Register. It's now time to create a project in myDESIGNER. Open an empty project. Name it. And create a new project. How to easily create a new project is fully described in the videos called Getting Started.